Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Panasonic Lumix G9II. Panasonic's latest flagship mirrorless camera tailored for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Let's see if this camera lives up to its reputation as a powerhouse for photography, especially in sports and wildlife. The Lumix G9II builds on its predecessor's strengths. Boasting a 25.2 megapixels micro four thirds sensor and a redesigned body that resembles Panasonic's full-frame models. It's a robust camera, emphasizing both speed and precision in its autofocus and image stabilization systems. From a design standpoint, the G9II sports a sturdy, weather-sealed body with a comfortable grip, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions. It features a 3-inch vari-angle LCD touchscreen and a high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder, ensuring clear and vibrant previews even in challenging conditions. What really sets the G9II apart is its performance. It offers a blistering shooting rate of up to 75 frames per second with electronic shutter, capturing fast-paced action with ease. The autofocus system combines phase and contrast detection, supporting modes for human and animal detection, which proved effective even in low-light situations. The camera excels in producing sharp, vibrant images thanks to its high-resolution sensor. Colors are rendered beautifully, especially in the vivid color profile, while maintaining a natural look. Whether you're shooting portraits or wildlife, the G9II delivers impressive results across various lighting conditions. Beyond stills, the G9II is a capable video tool, offering up to 5.8K resolution at 30 frames per second. It's equipped with essential ports like USB-C and HDMI, ideal for professional video setups. On the positive side, the G9II impresses with its robust build, excellent handling, and advanced autofocus. It's a versatile tool for both photographers and videographers alike. However, it does have its downsides, such as a relatively short battery life and noticeable noise at higher ISO settings. To sum up, the Panasonic Lumix G9II reaffirms its position as a top choice for serious photographers looking for speed, reliability, and versatility. Whether you're capturing wildlife in motion or sports action, this camera delivers outstanding performance and image quality. That's it for today's review of the Panasonic Lumix G9II. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.